Wisley in the summer is just heaving with colour and scent and atmosphere, and being the hottest and one of the driest of the RHS gardens, we have a lot of exotic plants here that you might not anticipate finding outdoors.
This is the exotic garden, so there's a real range of plants in here. The overarching theme is that they have to either have big exotic looking leaves or unusual shapes, or they have vibrant zingy coloured flowers. That real flower power really happens in late summer.
One of the most exciting things about here at Wisley is our water lily canal, home to 60 different cultivars, 8 of which are endangered in cultivation.
The rockery with the waterfalls coming down, that is just glorious in the summer.
I do like fish, so I quite like sitting by the lake. Actually today is quite nice because there's some ducklings about.
I came to Wisley today because I find it's like a big chocolate box. It's got something for everybody. And of course now we're coming out of spring into summer, there's loads of great colours to see, especially in the herbaceous borders.
Of course, at Wisley, the rose garden is a real feature of the summer garden display, and it's had its first flush, it's going to have another flush, and then the mixed borders kind of take over from mid to late summer.
One of the iconic bits of Wisley horticulture are the mixed borders. They're 128 metres long, 6 metres deep, and obviously then you get that huge impact of colour going all the way up as you look towards the Battleston Hill.
The big grand vista that leads you up the mixed borders actually then connects with Battleston Hill, and if you're craving a bit of shade on the warmer summer days and wander up there, you'll be absolutely rewarded with big drifts of lilies and hydrangeas.
The hydrangeas are quite incredible. There's all different colours and shapes and everything, and it's just so perfect.
I love Wisley because it gives you such a lot of inspiration of, oh, that combination, I'd never thought of doing that.
We went to the cottage garden. I have a friend there, that's the diving statue. Today, in a summer surrounding, she's absolutely perfect.
You get so much joy from walking through all the different types of flowers. There's so much different texture, there's different colour, there's different scent.
I think people need to come to Wisley because of the diversity of environments that we have here. So we showcase so many different styles of gardening. You could go into the pinetum and you've got those incredibly tall conifers there, and then a grass garden at the end of it.
Going into one of the woodland gardens here, you just feel this sense of somehow everything is calmer, softer, you relax. You just feel your stress levels and blood pressure, kind of everything just relaxes and eases. You know, I'd absolutely welcome any visitors to lie back on one of our benches and enjoy that restorative power that plants and big trees can bring.